guys, I'm going to show you how to change your coil packs on a 2004 VR6. This is going to be on the Golf R32. It'll be the same thing as the 24 valves. The 1.8Ts are a little different, but for the main thing, you're probably watching this because you're struggling with getting it out between the intake manifolds. So I'm going to show you how to get them out. All right. Here are the coil packs. Make sure you do some shopping around. I initially was looking at ECS tuning, and I about bought some. They're gonna be like 240 bucks. I was able to get these off Euro Tuning, and got these for 190 for all 6, so saved me 50 bucks. So got the coil packs, and I'm changing them because I started getting a misfire. I did my spark plugs and misfire came back, so this is the next step. So we're gonna pull this guy off. Careful, it's brittle, German plastic. Alright, and then this guy comes off. Alright, so now you'll see these guys are pretty tucked in here. They do sell a special tool. I think it's like $30, but you don't necessarily need it. So what you do for these plugs, it always helps if you push it in because debris gets in it. Push it in first, then pull on the little release tab, and then it comes out. These other ones kind of are a pain, and you have to use flatheads preferred, but two. Four. Five. Alright, so now we got all these done. You can see these. These are our coil packs, so we're gonna pull these guys out. Alright, I can't say it's enough. Be gentle. If you're pulling these out just to change the spark plugs or whatever, be careful so you don't break them. But the way I've always found the easiest to do it is grabbing it like this and just slowly wiggling while pulling. And there's one. There's two. Three. Four. Six. And then all you do is put the new coil packs in. Just remember the orientation. If you don't know, just look at the clips. Of course, this one's going to be pointing this way, next one points this way, and then so on. Alright, so this one's like this. So that's where we'll stick the little edge. And these are nice. They already come with dielectric grease on the inside, so you don't have to do it. 1. Two. And FYI, don't just throw your old coil packs away. Sometimes they're nice to have an extra just in case. I mean, try to pick the one that you think's the known good one. Because what that will do is if you keep one in your glove box and you do happen to get a really bad misfire and it tells you which one, you can replace it if you're on a road trip or something. That way you're not stranded and having to get a bad one from a parts store. Because we know how well those work. Alright, just like I'm doing. Push on them. The clips on them. Alright. That on. And there, you're all done.